Canvas Global Navigation Menu Tutorial. Once you access your course, the navigation menu for Canvas will be on the left side of your screen. This menu allows you to configure your account and access your courses, calendar, and library. Let us begin with the Account tab. Once you click on it, the following sections will appear: Logout, Profile, Settings, Notifications, Files, and Eportfolios. To end your session in Canvas, click on the Logout button underneath your name. To customize your profile, click on the Profile tab and then click Edit Profile. Here, you will be able to change your contact information, picture, biography, and links. In the Notifications tab, you will be able to set your notification preferences for course activities, forums, messages, and appointments. When you click on Files, you will find the documents and images that you have used on your profile and the courses in which you are enrolled. In the Settings tab, you will be able to change information and preferences such as your name, language, and time zone. To do this, click Edit Settings. Language and time zone are some of the options that you will be able to customize. Both should be set according to the specifications of your academic institution. You will also be able to add email addresses and other contact methods, and download the files in your Canvas account. Lastly, in Eportfolios, you will be able to create an electronic portfolio with all your academic projects. To close this menu, click on the X located in the upper right corner of your screen. In the Dashboard tab, you will see all your favorite courses and a list with your recent activity in the courses in which you are currently enrolled. The Courses tab shows the courses in which you are currently enrolled. To access a course, simply click on the course name. The Calendar tab will show the due dates for your assignments, discussion forums, exams, and other events relevant to the courses in which you are enrolled. Use the Inbox tab to communicate with your professors and classmates through the email service provided by Canvas. The Learn, Library and Information Resources Network tab gives you access to your institution's virtual library. There, you will find a wide range of digital resources that will help your online learning experience. In the Services tab, you will find links to the FTC page of General Information, Learn, Library and Information Resources Network, and Academic Support homepages for FTC campuses. These provide you with contact information to receive help and support in Canvas and your academic program. Finally, in the Help tab, you will find information about technical support and a quick guide of Canvas. You may also access the live chat, FTC general information, and the virtual library.